Here we come to the elevators at the Hilton Garden Inn Hotel right next to the Anatole in Dallas, Texas. These are Dover Impulse Traction glass elevators. It's going to be a very nice view outside. 8. These appear to be Traflomatic 4. 1. This is a nice elevator. Dover Impulse fixtures. ADA phone. Alright, let's take another ride. Love the motor starting up at the top. We'll go for one more ride and we'll end the video down here. This into a view. I like that. Look at that. Got a Hilton logo engraved onto the door track. That's interesting. Get an extensive cab view. This is a nice elevator. There's one last view of these impulse fixtures, and we're going down. Well, okay. It just stopped at 4. Well, okay, I guess it parks. Well, it looks like it just decided to stop me on 4. Well, okay. Well, anyways, I gotta take it back down to 1 because I need to get off. This time wants the button go out. Here we are at 1. See all the way up that shaft. Look at that. This is definitely Dover. I see the Dover blue on there. Alright, looks like this elevator's gonna stay on Peacock. So, anyways, there it goes, and that is gonna be it.